Namaskar, hello to the one who is watching this video. In this video, I will be showcasing one item from my collection. So let's start. This is a 19th century copper coin belonging to the British India era. The denomination of this coin is half anna. The year is 1862, the year in which Calcutta High Court was established. As far as the design of this coin is concerned, you can see the denomination and the year is mentioned within a circle of beads, which in turn is surrounded by a wreath. This coin was struck during Queen Victoria's rule. One interesting fact about Queen Victoria is that she was a natural diarist and maintained a regular journal throughout her life. On the back of this coin, the back side, there is a crown burst of Queen Victoria, which is not clearly visible in this coin because this coin is worn out from the back side. Along with the portrait, Victoria Queen is engraved on it. The engraver of this coin is Mr. William Vion. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching it.